Hey folks, Luxinda Swirl here. We are going to do another Halloween pour because Halloween is coming. So I'm donning my black Halloween gloves. All right, we have an 8x10 canvas. That means the area is 8 times 10, 80. 80 divided by 16, and that's a mixed media girl formula. The area divided by 16 gives you the number of ounces. So 80 divided by 16 is 5, so we need 5 ounces. I have a 5-ounce cup right here. We're gonna fill it to the brim. We're gonna use Halloween colors, or what I think of as Halloween colors. So of course we have orange. I'm using Artist Loft Ready Mix pouring paint today. Black. Purple, because there's a thing with purple and witches. Trust me on that. Green, because of Wicked. Again, witches. Also white for contrast. This is titanium white. So we're going to layer a cup and we are going to pour over something very Halloween-y that I got at Dollar Tree yesterday when I was there for purely essential items, of course. Layering a cup. Again, we're going to go all the way to the top. That'll give us 5 ounces. Probably shouldn't. Alrighty. And here for your entertainment is what we're pouring over today. Mwah. Oh, hand. Oh, hand. I think you're supposed to put these out in your garden so it looks like it's coming up out of the ground. I may still do that, but first we're going to paint it. So here we go. It's kind of like a turkey pour, except without using my hand and a thumb. In fact, we'll do sort of like that. You could put this out with a little gravestone next to it that says, "Here lies a dead painter." Just an idea. Alrighty, let's pick our hand up. See if we can put that over there. Hopefully it won't crawl away. Anybody ever see that movie, The Hand, starring Peter Lorre? He was in it. I don't remember if he was the star. He was in a lot of creepy movies back in the day. It was fantastic. And now we tilt. Definitely Halloween colors here. Lots of cool rosettes made by the finger, or the drips. Finger marks, I guess. Oh, I don't know what I'm trying to say. Lots of cool things. Not crazy about all that black up in the corner. Let's see if we can ditch some of that, still keep the interesting things. There we go. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, like that. What do you think, folks? You gonna say it with me? Ooh. You know, ghost like ooh. All right, let me clean up my hands. We'll go in for our close-up on the hand and the painting. All right, let's go in for our close-up. Here is the lower right corner. Across the bottom to the lower left corner. And then up the left side. See those rosettes? I love those. I have to tell you, even though this stuff dries so sticky, I love, 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 love the depth it provides. I mean, they're just, it looks like I poured layers on layers on layers, and it really was just the one pour. Here we are at the upper left corner. Across the top. All the wisps, love it. Upper right corner, and back down the right side. Very, very cool. Let's see if I can get the whole thing in frame. There's what that looks like. Now the hand. It's not quite as exciting. Here's our hand. I certainly didn't get full coverage, but that's all right. When I decided to do sort of a turkey pour thing, it was fingers. Fingers were the important part. But honestly, I think that's pretty cool. Definitely want to put this out in my garden. Alrighty. Here we have sort of both. There we go. Thanks everyone. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.